that? See that? Look at that. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so check it out. Over here is downtown LA. You can see downtown right over there, maybe. Then over here, you can see, if you look closely, the Hollywood sign, the observatory. This is where I live. Take it all in. Okay, here comes the sun. This is sunny Hollywood, buddy. Again, the best view's over here because, of course, the Hollywood sign and everything. But see, I'm about 3 stories up. See? Woo! Look! There's my truck. See my truck over there? My little baby. Alright, man. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try and send this to you right now, see if you can get it or not. Bye.